Hello, this is the Tech Girl 007 in here, and today you will learn the best, free and easy way on how to create a sticker from scratch to sell on Etsy. There will be a couple of tips that I'm going to be giving you along the way, so stay until the end. Right, so let's see, what festive season are we on right now? Okay, because that's going to sell the most. So yeah, holiday season is coming up and we will do something according to that. Basically, let's go on to Etsy first, and I want to show you a hack on what's trending. Use this technique every time you're after ideas for your Etsy shop. Right, so on Etsy, on the search bar, let's write holiday season stickers. Okay, so here we go. Now let's filter this. Click on filters and then select best seller. Then click on apply at the bottom of the page. Right, so there we go. This is what I like personally, and we'll make something similar to this. So we don't have to go for exact same images and everything, but we'll try to make it very similar to these holiday season gift label sheets. So let's click on the listing itself so we can have a closer look. Here we go. So it's got so many different colors that she or he offers. Right, so first of all, what we need to do is go down on the description to see what are the sizes that they are using. So it says in here, measures 2.25 inches height by 1.50 inches width. And that's what we're going to be using. And to make our sticker, we're going to the website called Canva. So as I said, it's going to be free. So we're going to be using everything that's free. Click on where it says create a design. If you are familiar with Canva, that's great. But I'm going to be showing you guys tips here and there. So first of all, you do need an account. It is a free account. It does have a paid account if you would like to opt for it. But for now, because you are new, we'll just stay with the, free version. So click on create a design. Once you created your account or you've signed in with your account that you already have. Now in here, we're going to go by the height and the width of that particular listing. After clicking on create a design, click on custom size. Right, so click on the little drop down menu and change it to inches. Then put down 1.50 for the width and then 2.25 for the height. Of course, then create new design is the button that you want. Right, so let's get cracking then. Right, so before we do anything on Canva, let's go ahead and find a background image that we're after. So in this case, it's going to be a red holiday season background picture that we're after. So onto Google, I've written green holiday background. Although we're looking into the red one, but I've written green. It's because I just liked a picture in the green section. So yeah, I'm going to be using that. Now after that, when you searched for green holiday background, go on to where it says tools, usage right. Click on Creative Commons licenses. So that means you can actually use it as free. So if we go scroll down, there's so many of them available, but the one that I chose was this one from the website called publicdomainpictures.net. And now of course they came on the images on Google search, and then I had to click on it to be able to go onto the website itself and then download it. So the way you download it, you go scroll down and you say free download, and it'll bring this page for you. Right click on it and say save as image. Now this will save as PNG, which is a high quality image. That's what you really want, and not a JPEG, because it will be a bit blurry, not very clear. And then let's go back to Canva and we'll import this into our design. So go to uploads. So I've already downloaded it and uploaded it in here. So I'm just going to show you just in here. Right, so let's bring this in, resize it to the size that we would like. So Of course, we don't have to really have the exact same size as it was saying on there. But what you could do is just, for the outlining, which I'm going to be showing you guys in a bit, you can actually make the size as, as big as what it's saying on that Etsy listing. But you don't have to. It's just a rough estimation. Okay, it's always a rough estimation anyway. So notice on the listing that on the edges, this is all curved and not 90 degrees here on the edges. So first of all, let's bring this to the middle, and here's a tip for you again. Right, so go onto the left hand side on the elements and look for something called frames. So in here, we're looking for a frame that's got an edge. So you can either use this one if you would like. So then you can just drag this on top and then resize it again. But what I like to do is bring this one in, because this one has already got an outlining in here. We can change the color to white, and then let's change the background color of our sticker so we can see the white background. I'm going to just change this to like a slightish grayish color. So as you can see, it's not going to be the exact same size. You can declare your size measurements when you're uploading it onto Etsy. Okay, so there's this, and then let's go and add a shape. So let's see, it's got a rectangular shape in here. So it was saying from and to. That's what we're going to be writing in here as well. Okay, change the background of the rectangle to white, of course, if you would like, and if you want to keep it as gray, that's also fine, but I'm going to change it to white so it matches. Now, that was very simple. Happy holiday is what we want to write in there. So let's go on to the text on the left hand side. Select the text, which is the add heading in here, and let's write happy holidays. I'm going to adjust the size a bit. Okay, bring it to the middle. So since this picture is full of all sort of, stars and different colors, we want this happy holiday to be seen clearly. Okay, so we've written happy holidays. Now go on to effects and select background. Right, so I want to choose the background color as red, and we're going to go a step ahead and not just stay with this generic background. I'm going to show you how to actually make it even fun by going on to where it says curve. So we're going to curve it instead of having a straight writing in here. So we're going to still bring it in the middle, right? And then what we need to do, we can go ahead and change the roundness. There's a few changes you can make in here. For example, changing the roundness, changing the spread, bringing it a bit closer, and then the transparency if you want to change it. That's how you can do it. But for now, I think we're happy. But one thing I do want to change in here is the color of the text to white, so it's more revealing and looks nice and it matches the background. Okay, this is what it is really. That's it, guys. I think we're done in here with this design. Now let me show you how to share this. So if you want to share it, click on share, click on download, select PNG, and then increase the size to 67 by 1013 pixels. You can just keep it at that size, or you can increase it up to the end, but that's going to make the size of the image very big. So the best way is to just stay in the middle, and that's it. And you want to select the pages. If you have any other pages that's also in there, you just want to select the page that you would like. Right, so in here I would have said to select transparent background, but you can't because you need to pay for it. So a workaround this would be to really change this background to white, because we have the bleeding and everything in there. So this outlining, the Cricut machine will recognize this and it will print it the way it should be, like how you could see it on the gray background. So once you do that, click on download and it should download for you. Right, so now if you go onto your downloads, this is how it should look like, and you can go ahead and sell it. Basically, you have just made the sticker for free and you're going to make money off it by selling it on Etsy, right? Right, so now is the time that I should show you guys how to get rid of that 90-degree sharp edges. Let's go ahead. Which also means that you didn't really need to make the sticker transparent. And let's go ahead and open an A4 sheet. Now in here, I want to bring this in. Okay. So what we need to do, I'm just going to change the background to maybe gray so I just can show you guys what I'm doing. What we need to do is go on to elements, go back down to frames. Now select this frame in here and drag this, right? So you see there's an outline of like red in here. We can change that to white, and then there you go. You don't have those sharp edges anymore. So we need to make multiple of these, so then we can, when we're selling it, the customers don't have to duplicate it. They can just print it as it is, so it just will be easier for them. Just a way of making your customers happy, really. Alright guys, so I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share it, and I shall see you on another video with free stuff like always. Take care guys. Bye.